Bonjour à tous! Welcome to Adult French, and I am Prashansa, your online French facilitator, where French sounds easy. Today, we are going to start Lesson 1, Les mots d'arrêt of the book Nouvel Apprendre le Français, Partie 1. I request all my viewers to please keep your book in front of you so that you can write the important meanings and take the important notes. Commençons. Let's start. Voilà Anirudh. Il est d'Inde. Here is Anirudh. He is from India. Voilà means here is. Here is Anirudh. He is from India. Salutation informelle. Salutation formelle. Now, informal salutation and formal salutation. What is informal salutation or informal greetings? Are the ones that we often use with friends or somebody who is younger to us. Formal salutation is something that we use with our teachers, with our parents, or étrangers, means strangers. Salutation informelle. These are the conversations that we often use with our friends or someone who is younger to us. Salut, je m'appelle Didou. Et toi? Hi, my name is Didou. And you? Salut, je m'appelle Anirudh. Je m'appelle Anirudh. Salutation formelle. This is something that we often use with our parents, teachers, and étrangers, means strangers. Bonjour, monsieur. Hello, sir. Je m'appelle Cécile Allaire. My name is Cécile Allaire. Et vous? And you? Bonjour, madame. Enchanté. Hello, ma'am. Enchanté means nice to meet you. Je m'appelle Matteo Laurent. Je m'appelle Matteo Laurent. Salut Anirudh, ça va? Hello Anirudh, you're fine? Or how are you doing? Ça va means are you fine? How are you doing? Or how are you? Salut Marie, ça va? Merci. Hello Marie, I am fine. Thank you. Merci, thank you. Here you noticed ça va is acting as question as well as the answer. Ça va? Ça va? Ça va means are you fine? Yes, I'm fine. Ça va. Ça va is simply like ठीक है in Hindi. ठीक हो? ठीक हूँ. सब ठीक है? सब ठीक है. Ça va. So ça va, ça va, ça va, ça va. It means yeah, I'm fine. Okay, next. Comment vas-tu? How are you? How are you? Je vais très bien. Je vais très bien. I am very good. I am very fine. I'm doing very well. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Je vais bien, merci. Et vous? Je vais bien, merci. Et vous? I am fine, thank you. And you? Je vais très bien, merci. Je vais très bien, merci. I am very fine, thank you. Now, can you please tell me which one of these is the formal conversation and which of these is informal conversation? Yes, the conversation above that we read is informal salutation or informal conversation. Okay, the conversation below, the next conversation is formal salutation where we are using vous. Vous in French means aap as we use in Hindi. So comment allez-vous? How are you? I'm saying comment allez-vous? Not comment allez-vous or comment allez-vous. It's not correct. It is always comment allez-vous? How are you? Apprenons à saluer, prendre congé. Let us learn to greet, to take leave, or to say goodbye. Les salutations, the greetings. Now here we have two columns. One is les salutations informelles, that is informal salutations. And on the other hand, we have les salutations formelles, formal salutations. What is salutations, ma'am? Salutations means greeting, how you greet somebody. Let's start. Bonjour. Bonjour means hello or good morning. Please notice that I did not say bonjour or bonjour or something like that. Just say bonjour. It's not bon. It's bon. Nasal sound. Bon. Bonjour. Bonjour. That's the correct pronunciation. Bonjour means hello or good morning. Salut. I did not say salute. Salut, last T is silent. Salut, hello or hi. What is the difference between salut et bonjour? Bonjour is formal and salut is informal. Comment ça va and comment vas-tu? Both means how are you? Okay, how to say how are you in French? You'll say comment ça va, Comment ça va or comment vas-tu? I did not say vas-tu. I said comment vas-tu? How are you? Next, et toi? If I want to say I'm fine and you, I'll simply say et toi and you, et toi and you. Je m'appelle Didou. Et toi? My name is Didou. And you? How to say or how to introduce yourself? My name is Didou. For example, I would say Je m'appelle Prashansa. Please try it with your name. Je m'appelle Prashansa. Instead of Prashansa, just say your name. Et toi? And you? I simply say Je m'appelle Prashansa. Or, to sound more native, I would say Je m'appelle Prashansa. Et toi? Sounds crazy, right? Bon après-midi. Good afternoon. Bonsoir. 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 Good evening. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Good night. Let's see les salutations formelles. Formal salutations. Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, madame. Good morning, madam. Bonjour, madame. Good morning, madam. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur. Good morning, sir. Bonjour, mademoiselle. Bonjour, mademoiselle. Good morning, miss. Good morning, miss. Mademoiselle. 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 Bonjour, mademoiselle. Comment allez-vous? How are you? How to say how are you in formal way? I'll say comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? And in informal way, I would say comment ça va or comment vas-tu? Et vous? Je m'appelle Cécile. My name is Cécile. Et vous? My name is Cécile. Et vous? Je m'appelle Cécile. Et vous? And you? Enchanté de faire votre connaissance. Delighted to meet you. Even if you say enchanté, it means the same thing. Delighted. Delighted to meet you. Enchanté. Enchanté de faire votre connaissance. Delighted to meet you. Bienvenue. Bienvenue. What is bienvenue? Welcome. Now, this welcome does not mean the reply to thank you, but to welcome somebody at your place. Welcome to my place. Bienvenue à Adore French. Bienvenue à Adore French means welcome to Adore French. Bienvenue means to welcome somebody. Bonjour et bienvenue means hello and welcome to my channel, to my place, to my house, whatever. Apprendre à répondre à ces salutations. Let us learn how to reply to these greetings. As of now, you have learned how to ask somebody, how are you doing? And we learned some ways like ça va. You said ça va. We learned comment allez-vous for formal way, comment allez-vous. We learned comment vas-tu. We learned comment ça va. लेकिन अगर किसी ने आपसे ये सवाल कर लिया तो आप इस चीज का कैसे रिप्लाई करेंगे? That we will learn on this page. There are 6 ways that we are gonna learn here to reply in French. How are you feeling? Whether it is I'm feeling fine, I'm feeling good, or not bad, or I'm feeling okay, or I'm feeling sick. Let's learn. The première expression, the first expression. Ça va, fine, fine. Ça va bien, I'm doing very well, I'm very well. Ça va bien, merci. Fine, thank you, as we say in English. I'm fine, thank you. Ça va bien, merci. Please pay attention to the pronunciations. Ça va bien, merci. I am fine, thank you. Pas mal, not bad. Pas mal, not bad. Comme si, comme ça. What's comme si, comme ça? I'm okay. Neither good nor bad. Comme si, comme ça. Ça va mal. Ça va mal. I'm not well. I'm not good. Or I'm feeling sick. Ça va mal. Let's repeat. Ça va. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. Pas mal. Comme si, comme ça. Ça va mal. Next is apprenons, apprendre congé. Let us learn how to take leave or to say goodbye. Au revoir. Now this is the trickiest sound that we are going to learn. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. You can always break the words. Au revoir. Au revoir. Just repeat quite a few times and yeah, you will be better at it. Au revoir. Goodbye. A bientôt. It's quite simpler one. A bientôt. See you soon. À bientôt. See you soon. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. So I'll tell you a fun fact about it. I was teaching one of my student last year, and when I taught her this word, and she made another meaning, and she memorized it like a tout à l'heure means like tout à pair, a tout à l'heure. So this is the way that she learned how to say see you soon. A tout à l'heure. आप ऐसे याद मत करना. You can simply learn a tout à l'heure. But yeah, a tout à l'heure also helps. Whatever you find convenient. À tout à l'heure. See you very soon. À tout à l'heure. Break the word. Simple. À tout à l'heure. See you very soon. À demain. À demain. See you tomorrow. À demain. See you tomorrow. À plus tard. À plus tard. See you later. À plus tard. See you later. Don't say à plus tard. Please, last letter is silent. À plus tard. À plus tard. See you later. À lundi, mardi, mercredi. See you on Monday, Tuesday et Wednesday. Apprenons à saluer ou à dire au revoir pendant toute la journée. Let us learn to greet or to say goodbye during the whole day. Le matin. What is le matin? It means morning. Le matin, morning. Le matin, morning. Le midi, noon. L'après-midi, afternoon. L'après-midi, afternoon. Bonjour, good morning. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Have a good day. Bonjour et bonne journée. Have a good day. Bonjour, good day. Bon après-midi, good afternoon. Is it a bit confusing? Let me clear it for you all. Bonjour has three meanings. Hello, good morning, good day. So if we break the word bonjour, so bon, B-O-N, this word particularly means good. Bon, good. And the other word is J-O-U-R, that is jour, jour. So bonjour means good day. Bon means good and jour means day. It's bonjour, good day. So bonjour can be used to say any one of them. It's hello, good morning, good day. Hello, good morning, good day. Bon après-midi, good afternoon. Bon après-midi, good afternoon. Next is le soir. Le soir. I'm not saying le. Le is not the correct pronunciation for le. It's le. Le. Le soir, evening. Le soir, evening. Bonsoir, good evening. Bonsoir, good evening. And bonne soirée. Have a nice evening. Bonne soirée. Have a nice evening. Bonne soirée. Minuit. Minuit. Midnight. Minuit. Midnight. Or la nuit. La nuit. That is night. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Good night. How to say good night in Francais? Bonne nuit. Good night. I hope I made it easier for you all to learn. See you in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates, and à bientôt!